Right, today you join us here at Carbonwurks HQ and it's looking a little bare. There's not a great deal going on here at the moment, apart from Sam doing a little bit of sweeping in the background, and there's a very good reason for that. We're actually going to put some flooring in. Well, we're not. We've got Garage Style coming along to do that for us. You've probably seen some of their stuff, or if you haven't, check them out because they've got some really cool videos. They've done some bits for Yanamais and so on. But we've got a whole new floor going in, and we've got some nice cabinets going up as well. So this is something we've been trying to get on, get on with here in the workshop, but we've just been so busy. So yeah, we'll see how this one comes together. We'll see you at the end and hopefully look nice and shiny. See you later. Right, we're now done. Garage Style have been, so come inside and check it all out. When I say they're done, this has been a couple of weeks, by the way, so you might see a little bit of detritus on the floor. Don't worry about it too much. It wasn't like that before, but we've just been super busy. So we've gone with a really nice colour scheme here. Hope you guys agree. So we've got this nice black finish through most of the workshop, but a nice little bit of lighter grey on the perimeters just to give it a little bit of a highlight feature. We've also got the Carbonwurks logo at the front, which looks really trick. We're contemplating potentially doing another Carbonwurks logo at the front floor as well. Be interesting to see what you guys think on that. But this is a particularly hard wearing floor. As I said, this has been in weeks now and we've been having cars in and out, so it's been taking a bit of a pounding and abuse, but it seems to be holding up well, other than just needing a bit of a clean down tomorrow. But we're really happy with it. We went with the solid tiles rather than the vented, just because they're easy to maintain. Otherwise you get water and dirt and dust in the vented tiles and it doesn't look great. We've also got some Sealy Superline Pro cabinets, which fit this space really nicely, just for putting some tools away. We've got various tool chests and countertops, and don't judge us because it's not exactly clean and perfect right now. We've got a little bit more tidying up to do, but really nice set here, well built, and it's actually quite good value for money. There's a lot of these cabinets can cost a fortune, but they're really nice. And to finish it up, we've got some lighting, which is a company called Govee. And they're quite cool. We can change the colours on those depending on what car we've come in. Obviously we've got our M4 development car here, so obviously we've got to have the M-Power lights on the top there. But yeah, big shout out to Garage Style. They've done a really nice job here. Very well finished. Edging is perfect. It's so crisp. There's no joins near the edges. There's no gaps. It's just really nicely done. So yeah, we're a bit more of a working facility here now. No doubt we'll be tweaking this place for a few more months yet, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Really nice finish, and again, big shout out. Thanks to the Garage Style guys, and hope you enjoyed the video.